Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles in Toca Boca. Open the app and tap the kitchen, then pick the waffle maker on the counter. Choose a batter color and drag ingredients into the bowl, stirring gently until the mixture is smooth. When ready, pour batter into the waffle mold, close the lid, and watch the cooking timer. Keep things playful and try different colors and toppings for fun variations. Once batter is in the mold, close the lid and watch the little timer tick down for a perfect golden waffle. If the waffle looks pale, leave it a tiny bit longer. If it looks too dark, open early and adjust next time. Use playful toppings like fruit, syrup, and sprinkles to make each waffle unique. Try different batter colors and patterns to create creative plates that match your Toca Boca style and story. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling crisp when you head out after messy play sessions. It pairs nicely with tasty pretend waffles. I find it refreshes the drive home and adds a small laughing moment to cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your waffle on a colorful plate and add toppings that tell a story, like strawberries for a red theme or syrup drizzles for sparkle. Mix and match props and character outfits to stage a mini breakfast scene that feels alive. Show off your creations to friends or record a little clip to save in game. Small details like tiny plates and napkins make the experience feel complete and extra charming for playtime.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.